Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Squarespace plan. This is squarespace.com website, and to upgrade your Squarespace plan, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Now click on these three dots next to your website and select billing. Click on subscriptions, and below active subscriptions, click on the one you want to upgrade, and next to your current plan, click on change. A new window pops up. Then select the Squarespace plan you want to upgrade to, just like that. Select your billing cycle, which means paying annually or monthly. Let's go with annually. The address and payment steps were skipped because I already have my billing address on file, and same thing with my payment method. Now all you need to do is to click on confirm payment in order to upgrade your Squarespace plan. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.